Hello everyone. The next video is about angles, and I am from Bhaskara group, that is group number 3. We are going to discuss about different angles in this video. First, the part of angles. What are the different part of angles? Here are the parts of angle, that means the arm and vertex and angle. So this line and this one line, these both lines called arm of angle, and the vertex, when these arm joints together, that place is called vertex. That outside the place is called vertex, and the inside the place is called angle. This is the angle. So these are the main part of an angle. Now, type of angles. We are going to learn about acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle. The first one is acute angle, and an angle whose measured 0 degree to 90 degree, 0 degree to 89 degree, less than 90 degree. That means an angle whose measured less than 90 degree, and that means all angles from 0 degree to 89 degree are called acute angle. So examples are here. An acute angle is 50 degrees here, sorry, 53 degree, 50 degree, 85 degree, 80.5 degree, 30 degree, all are acute angles. And there are some angles in alphabets also. If we make a letter A, here are also acute angles. More than one acute angles are here. Number 1 is here, number 2 is here, upper part, then upper part is also acute angle. That means there are 3 acute angles in alphabet A. Like this, in other alphabets also having acute angles. And you can see your scissors. Scissor is having 2 parts. That means these 2 parts makes acute angle. Then your divider also make acute angle. Your compass, your pencil, your bicycle spokes, these things also make an acute angle. So I think that means all angles from 0 degree to 89 degree, all angles are acute angle. That means less than 90 degree. The next one is right angle, an angle whose measured exactly 90 degree, not less than 90 degree, not more than 90 degree. That is here, this angle is 90 degree. And there are so many right angles at your home, in your bags, in your bedroom, and so many angles are there. You have to observe them. First, you observe corners of room. Your room's corners also make right angle. Your book, your cube, your chessboard, and some letters also make right angle. Here a letter E is here. These, there are more than one right angles. One is here, another one is here, and downside is also here, then another one is here. That means there are 4 right angles in alphabet E. Like this, other alphabets also having right angles. Badminton court is also having right angle. That means the corners of badminton courts makes right angle. Then hockey field, then lawn tennis court, these also make right angles. I think you have understood the concept of right angle, that is exactly 90 degree, not less than, not more than. The next one is obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than right angle. That means it is more than right angle but less than straight angle, that is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. That means 91 degree to 179 degree, all angles called obtuse angle. So here are some examples of obtuse angle. That means 130 degree angle and 16 degree, then 105. These all are obtuse angle. Then examples, other examples at your home also. That means your fan blades are also making obtuse angle. Then the clock showing time 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock the clock will make obtuse angle. The next, these are the angles. You have to observe them, different type of angles, and learn them. Thank you, have a nice day.